Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in debugging, understanding the difference between the free code camp and browser console. You may have noticed that some free code camp JavaScript challenges included their own console. This console behaves a little differently than the browser console you used in the last challenge. So here we can see the console that is present for the free code camp, and we can open browser console by inspect and clicking on console. This one, let's clear it. Both of these are different. The following challenge is meant to highlight the main difference between the free code camp console and your browser console. When you run ordinary JavaScript, the browser's console will display your console.log, a statement the exact number of times it is called. The FreeCodeCamp console will print your console.log statements a short time after the editor detects a change in script as well as during testing. So it will not, in case of browser console, the browser console will not clear it automatically and uh, keep on printing the log. Will, in the case of FreeCodeCamp, it overwrites the previous execution and clears the console before printing the new one. The FreeCodeCamp console is cleared before the tests are run and to avoid spam. Only prints the logs during the first test. See the note below for exceptions. If you would like to see every log for every test, run the test and open the browser console. If you prefer to use the browser console and want it to mimic the free CodeCamp console, place console.clear before any other console calls to clear the browser console. Note that console.logs inside function are printed to the free CodeCamp console whenever those functions are called. This can help debugging functions that are called during testing. Task for this challenge: first use console.log to log the output variable, then use console.clear to clear the browser console. So first console, let's first open the console of browser also so that you can see. Let's clear it. Okay, I cleared the console, and now console.log output, and we can see that here we get this sentence only once, and here this same sentence we are getting twice, one before putting semicolon and one after that. Get this to log once in FreeCodeCamp console and twice in the browser console, and we can again do that by erasing it and then again putting it. So whenever we change anything inside that, the execution is repeated each time and we get a console, but here the console is cleared. Then use console.clear to clear the browser console, and we can clear the browser console also. Run the tests to see the difference between the two consoles. So let's run the test, and we can see the differences. And now to use console.log clear. Console, not console.log, console.clear, to remove everything that was printed on the console. Here console was cleared is mentioned, whereas in this case we get the actual sentence which was printed earlier. So let's finish this video with running the test. All the tasks that were provided are finished. So let's run the test, download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.